Hello and welcome guys. Hope you are doing great. So in this video today we'll be discussing about the XAMPP. You are getting issue with the XAMPP MySQL. Apache is starting well, but when you try to start your MySQL server here in XAMPP, it is saying that this may be due to block port missing dependency and it is not starting, it is stopping again. The moment you click on that, it's changed to a stop for a moment, but again it automatically comes into the start state. So 5 minutes back or 10 minutes back it was working fine for me, but now it has been stop working. So let and if you are facing the same issue, you can fix this very easily without losing your database or any data that is already there in your database. Okay, so let's begin with that. So come to your install directly. So I am already here inside C and XAMPP, and go to your MySQL directory. Then find your data directory and delete all the file except your ib data one. Okay, so I have already selected all and now deleting everything except ib data one in context of file only. Okay, and now delete MySQL, not delete, just copy, select MySQL, phpmyadmin, test, and performance data. These four directory need to be selected here so that you can delete these. You can delete one by one if you want, but you have to delete MySQL, performance schema, myadmin, and your test database. Okay, so I am deleting here, and everything you see has been deleted. And these are all the database I have created here, and this one is the data. Okay, now go to your backup directly, come directly to your backup folder, then inside this directory select MySQL, performance schema, phpmyadmin, and test. The directly you just deleted from this. So just make a copy and paste here. Okay. Now you see your work is done. Now let give it a try to, let me try starting this and check. Click on start. The moment you click on start, you see all the file that you deleted is it has been arrived here inside your data directory. Okay, and it is working fine. Now you can also stop and start and you will see it is working fine now. Okay, so hopefully if in case of your issue you will finding such kind of issue, it should be working fine. And I have tried in multiple cases, and this solution never every time this solution work for me. So thank you for watching. Have a great day ahead.